Alrighty, today we're going to be working on the pitboss Platinum Lockhart. I'm not getting any power to here. It is plugged up and everything, no power. I've checked the fuse, everything. The fuse still looks good. So I reached out to pitboss, and pitboss sent me a new CPU. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing you want to do, get you a Phillips, and you got 6 screws you want to take off. All 6 of these. Make sure your unit is unplugged also. I'll fish that out in a few minutes. And you want to pop it out on the bottom. Take that off. Set it somewhere. Right there's that. This is a CPU. And right here, and that green thing with the zip tie, that's your fuse. You can look in there and see the thing, which it's a 5 amp quick blow fuse or something like that's what the pitboss guy told me. So anyways, let me go get the new part and I'll be right back. All right, so to take these out, you have a nut right here, a nut right here, a nut right here, and a nut right here. And all these are only hand tight. So I'll take them out real quick. Right here is the new CPU, and all the wires are all color coded. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and take these off. Just like that. Now that they're separated, I lied. So we've got 5 bolts. Right here's another nut right under there, but it's also just hand tight. Now be careful, because I've already dropped one screw down in there that I got to fish out. Alrighty, now that right there should pop on out of there, just like that. This is the old unit. This is the new unit, and we're just going to pop it right back in the same way that one came out. Just line up the bolt holes like so, and be careful putting these back on. You're real easy to drop them. It only took about a week for pitboss they shipped it out pretty much the next day after I called them. Mine's still under warranty, so, which was a good thing. I didn't have to pay for this. And once they shipped it out FedEx, and it arrived to me today, which is about 3 days. I think it was 3 days later. Alright, having issues with that. It feels like it's cross-threaded. Real finicky, these little bolts. Which hand tight is all I would put them on there anyway, because you know they're made right into the plastic, and if you start trying to torque these down, you're liable to crack your screen here. So this one, I can't seem to get started. Yeah, once it gets, oh, there we go. Alright, so now it's time to color code them again. Alright, let's see if we got power before I put that thing back on there. Yep, so that's what it was. As you can see, bam, got power. So turn that off, and we'll put the cover back on. So anyways, everything's in just reverse. Put this back on and you're good to go. I hope that helps some people that's having problems, and thank you very much. Y'all have a good day.